I started singing when I was 8 years old. I'm the youngest of four, and I was kind of a shy kid, so I started singing to kind of get over my shyness.
Yeah, right now.
She would use the vacuum as a microphone.
I graduated high school early, and then I moved to Nashville. I was on a mission to make it. In Nashville, I was signed to a deal, and I was so excited. I thought my life was going to start happening. Then I was dropped. My world crumbled, and I just kind of let go of music. I called my mom, and I said, Mom, if you buy my ticket home, I'll pay you back, I promise. Can I take your car or borrow Dad's car?
Her not having a job in place and moving back here, it's scary as us as parents is wondering what's next for her.
Do you remember? You know, it took a lot of guts to go back on that stage again. That was the hardest thing that I'd ever done, and I'm so happy I did it. When I lost my record deal, I thought my world was over. It was my last chance, and I am now singing at Radio City Music Hall.
Party girls don't get her, can't feel anything. When will I learn? Push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call. Phone's blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I lose count. Won't look down, won't open my eyes. Leave my glass full until morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight. I wanna swing from the chandelier. From the chandelier. I wanna fly like a bird in the night. Feel the tears as they drop.
Wow. Emily West. Everyone is on their feet, including the judges. Come on down here. She's quite emotional. Awesome job. Mel B.
Oh, I mean, you just hit it in every which way possible. That's probably one of my favorite songs of all time. And you sang it like it was a classic old Hollywood song. You made it your own. You look stunning. You sounded incredible. I have to say, wowza! Oh, I loved it. Thank you.
Howard.
Well, I agree. Ditto. You know, the thing is that I'm a huge Sia fan, and I heard her on your show, Howard.
Right.
And you have a very similar story where your career started, and then they stopped it, and then again. And I don't know if that gives you the soul and the feeling and the pain and the dream and the emotion. It's all there. You blew this place away. To me, this was the best act of the night so far.
Yes, yes.
Wow. Howard.
You know, many times I'm interviewed, they ask me, why did I join up with America's Got Talent? Why did I become a judge? Because of you, because of someone like you. I've been waiting for someone like you. That's how strongly I feel about you. Your look, you're an original, your sound. And Howie's right. I interviewed Sia recently, and I know she's watching this smiling because you did such justice to her song. And your look and the way you put this together, magnificent. You're so on the money.
Yes.
You're the best singer I've seen here since I've joined 3 years. The best.
Heidi.
I think you're a star. I think you have the
Right.
total package. you know, I feel your emotions when you sing. It makes me emotional, you know, when you're singing. I loved it. I think you're fantastic.
To hear all of those phenomenal words from our judges, how's it feel?
First of all, this took a village, and I'm on cloud nine. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you so much. I have no words. Thank you.
Outstanding job. Good luck tonight. If you want Emily in the semifinals, you know what to do. Vote, vote, and vote again at the end of the show. Okay, here's our next act. It's a guy who does things